Top 3 AI tool make your life easier.
Started. The first tool here on my list is called LeiaPix AI. To start using this tool, all you gotta do is just register on their platform with your email address or your Google account. You will find the registration link in this video. Description. Once you have registered successfully, open convert.leipix.com. Now just upload your image by clicking on the upload button at the top right now. You'll see 6 options on the left that you can play with and tune them up to get your desired image. Here, let me change some of these attributes to show you how you can change the video. Show you how you can change the video result. You can even mess around with the depth map they have automatically generated for you to get even better results. After everything is set and you are ready to use the video, just click on the share button and your video will now be available for download. Here's the final video result. It just looks astonishing, doesn't it?
Tool number. Do Runway,
which is runwaymail.com. By clicking on the link given in the description, you will come to their official website. As you can see on the screen, this is an online video editor, in which there are some messages or two that you will go to literary chalk after watching this video. There is no need to download. You can check directly by visiting their website, and you can also have a meeting with any of your friends by equilibrating real time.
Yet, already with a mobile app and Gen 2 on the way, this AI-powered video editing software has proven to be one of the bigger voices in this space, and is certainly one of the most popular options to explore for those looking to dive into the world of AI editing today. So let's take a look at this web-based video editor to explore how you can use AI to help with a variety of features, including frame interpolation, background removal, effects blur, and other tools for cleaning audio and motion tracking.
Tool number. Teen Tome.
Generative storytelling in Tome allows creators to quickly and easily construct complete stories, presentations, or outlines from scratch, complete with intelligent titles, pagination, page layouts, and page text, accompanied by GP3 and AI-generated graphics. There's a brand new AI tool that can help in making presentations. To use it, users simply need to briefly explain their ideal presentation in a designated text area. Teams could use it to discuss a presentation deck for a project or a strategic plan. Tome.ai has a lot of things to offer, such as build a powerful story with any content, frictionless creation meets magic design, live interactive content from the web, integrated with Figma, video narration, templates,